Yebeko ahoma so na yene the PR Adema Road Ministry, that is Ministry of Roads and Highways Edin Kobo. Nasir Ahmed Yate onana a sign 87.9 a statement enra ebaye in response to Professor Stephen Adei allegations ahodwa waye. My brother, my memo atomo akwa bamra Akoma FM.
I'm pacha me da say me sanso chia o ne team ni o telephone na. Fantastic.
Why the statement abase EOCO any investigation into the allegations? Exactly then EOCO kwakore. Where is it? Is it more for Professor Adei? And I said, where are they beginning from?
And then the part two, it kind of, before my about question is so it kind of allegation Prof. A very serious allegation. At least, yeah, as a ministry, you're taking it very, very serious. Yeah, as a ministry, no, you need who to me say about that allegation, no, in Fifimu. The same thing that could die institutional, you know, Ghana for you see her say, I dare friends say organized crime or more and in beer near a cordia making a Fifimu. Nti no ye ya oka asem no fire ho ye na ye de asem na kodan 7.9 ye fremo sa asem ya yake mo hwehwe mu man na munye ho investigation obi bia or involve bia se no kodu mo obi bia mo investigate na no kwawo mu fan tuja se na be ya se ya no kwa no ka omo ye involved no you be your brad your five so because yeah to me yeah allegations in Janice I was say yeah mu
but you share the substance of the issue. Has it ever come to the attention of the minister said contract ebinomoje kickbacks of 1 million and sakrana upfront and sana awards road no cry Oma award? Do you have that come to the attention of the minister?
And then that Prof and I buy attention they are done the relevant institutions of Munshushimu.
Before the
minister lawyer.
Yeah.
And the issue of our image, our integrity, no idea who here a bar. The same thing so be here allegation damn say the relevant institution
now just for the purpose of clarity affirmation of Akoma Yedi 1 minute
and these drivers what they cannot do in their own countries they do it here with impunity because we have some of our unpatriotic brothers and sisters who prefer money to protecting our road infrastructure. There are people in my own ministry who are involved in this kind of thing. There are a lot of corrupt people, there are a lot of thieves in my own ministry. You sack them, you employ new ones, and when they come, the new ones are even worse than those that you sack. What sort of country are we building for ourselves?
I then I say, when your minister himself already have confirmed that there are corrupt officials,
oh, sir, Ejao, say na yesi fibia mensa wom. Nia very important is unsaka mensa na den na oye no. This is a minister on shady obia. Waka tuja as a load for while who trust a kesium kwan so I was say yawa as the load for ya fine conform more stations also mu check to overload police for wa kwem Adei ya kan minister for kwon because the minister no on dinner port ho mamu loadi trucks na minister in dinner ho so trucks na kwan no so minister in dinner ho there were various state institutions also move and check it way. So it goes against me no. But if it comes to the good thing is that back to the attention of the minister, he takes action on it. Okay, so you sack them. On the second conform he took action. I'm up me or fine conform for. In conform for say if they are involved in any corrupt deed, they will be sacked. So this is a minister. He doesn't condone nonsense. The same thing now. I some way by and I say I some way there. I say the appropriate authorities and they are
but the solution to Obi corrupt second. Is that what you mean?
No, can say apart from other impunitive actions are we taking, the most important thing is when you nip and the law must deal with the person, but when you nip and we should be happy as Ghanaians say we have a minister, he is so condoning corruption. The first and foremost thing is that you were free. The outside now, wire corruption, so you were free. That's the first thing. Let us also say Emperor Wundi. Or no, as a minister, no, near everyone to me, over to me, I want to obey you. But you were the real. I can't say, Embrane the Wundi.
So yes. Before these allegations by the good old professor, has there been a point a minister RFA will be after being sacked to the various appropriate authorities for the law to take its course in an alleged corrupt act, Anna?
Of course, sir. I will look for your national security for investigation and prosecution.
Okay.
Yes, they were sacked and they were given to national security. And whole documentation will be there. And so, as a ministry, because like I said, we don't condone such things. They are not kind of central. But as a ministry, are interested in protecting our reputation. You're making sure that such allegations are properly investigated. And making a minister as Akoma, the relevant institutions are investigating issue.
So the expected outcome of this referral, what exactly is the minister expecting?
The minister is expecting an investigation. EOCO how they conduct their investigation. As a ministry, we cannot say how I'm conduct some investigation. Investigation. And they are set up for some now, Obi as a minister can have a friend and somebody in Semana. Yes, Obi and a woman, young friend. Young minister and you be a Okaka Boneso. At the end of the day, they are some taking our boy and online and the new tone and all can say, me take his ashen way. It's a new Obia, Obaka, some Afano, and now Obi who said Bonnie be Koso, now a kata so they be on your side, Nipano. And as a ministry, so yes, so maybe
so comment here, Professor Adei, has it affected the ministry in any way, Anna?
Oh, affect the Obi can be an American. Our image is very important to us as a ministry. Our integrity is very important. So Obi can assembly say, who may he answer, Yabema, if you more also. Say Obi me know you minister and you be no him. Obi anano could do wom. The day dear, you cannot get involved. Now you're taking on. So you could be also anymore. They know you.
You are 100% right here.
Yes.
I understand opposition, but considering allegations of corruption and in the EOCO, you said in your statement, the issue of offend is saying award of contract open, transparent. There have been several concerns of sole sourcing and several other issues that leading to corruption. I mean, over the period we've had several sole sourcing contract being awarded. Where audit service Crown Public Accounts Committee order now. What attempt and a ministry near to ensure say about these issues of corruption?
Ebi na yedi akoda institutions omo hwehwe mu. Say yen aka say yen all ye tender process ye no open transparent. Ye no according to mbra. Say into the institutions to the check and balances. Institutions omo check ye dey kodan procurement authority omo hwe ye bibia mu omo ma ye go ahead and sana ya take steps. Ye behavior the report called parliamentary committee, audit committee, etc. There are various checks and balances at any point in time. No, review nyama and any state institution What's my say? Into no from so the appropriate state institution will point it out and deal with it. But when no acquire a wild allegation, you feel say. Yen to mean Janice, I will tell you, can you could be one and lady, can you could be any Musa and lady.
Mr. Yate, I don't pay my NWC. Majidi, sir, we will wait for the outcome from EOCO. Yes, Nyamea Domoa, Mr. Within the week, I'll call you to get us some updates on some routes that will come. Specifically, Anyang Kwanta Santasi stretch Asabia Road Oyen war Denchemoso Techimine and several other road war so Atuman Kwawoma area. Because we didn't prompt you, I will let the production forward these roads to you. Now Wamayenya some update maybe Aqua could do. Many of them appear to have been abandoned. And we would want to get details from your outfit. Why? I'm grateful, my brother, for your time. Thank you very much. Nasir, so we PR for the road ministry. Nani man say you perceive a road na kwa.